Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about print triangle pattern like this format. So at here, first time that print 1, next time 0, 0, next 1 3 times, 0 4 times, and 1 again 5 times. So let's see. Next I'm going to discuss about the DRAN method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Here after that coincide. So at here I have taken two integer variable. First is I, next j. So at here control comes to for loop. So at here I value is the start from 1. That check the condition 1 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. That coincides. So at here j value also start from 1. Check the condition 1 less than equal to 1. Condition is true. That coincides. So at here console cross dot write method. At here first to that print space and that concatenate I mod 2. So I value is now 1 and here mod 2. So modulus operator return remainder. The value come 1. So first that print space that concatenate 1. So the output come 1 at here. Now hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 1. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. Console comes dot write line method. So write line method then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that go up increase the value of I. So I is now 2. That check the condition 2 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincides. J value start from 1. Right here check 1 less than equal to 2. Condition is 2 that coincides. Console class dot write method. So first that print space and here I value is now 2. So 2 mod 2 the value comes 0. So 0 print. Hereafter that go up increase the value of j. So j is now 2. J the condition 2 equal to 2. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at a console class dot write method. So at a 2 mod 2 the value print 0. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 2. Condition is not true, not coincide. Here control comes to this point, console class dot write line method, then cursor brings to new line. Hereafter that increase the value of I, so I is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5. Condition is not condition is true, that coincides. J value start from 1. Here check the condition 1 less than equal to I value 3. Condition is true, that coincide. Console class dot write method. So first that print space, hereafter that display 3 mod 2. So 3 mod 2 the value remainder come 1, so 1 print at here. Hereafter j increase, so j is not 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 3. Condition is true, that coincides. So at here that print 3 mod 2 value. So 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is not 2, 3. Or check the condition 3 equal to 3. Condition is 2, that coincides. So at here console class dot write method. So 3 mod 2. I value is 3, 3 mod 2, the value come 1. So 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 3. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. Console class dot write line method. So cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that increase the value of I. So I is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 5. Condition is true, that coincides. So at here j value start from 1. At here check the condition 1 less than equal to 4. Condition is true, that coincides. Console class dot write method. So at here I mod 2. So 4 mod 2 the value comes 0. So 0 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 4. Condition is true, that coincides. So at that print 4 mod 2 value. So the value 4 mod 2, remainder comes 0, so 0 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 4. Condition is 2 that coincides, so at console class dot write method. So at here 4 mod 2, the value comes 0, so 0 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 equal to 4. Condition is 2 that coincides, so at here that print 4 mod 2 value, so 0 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 5. 5. Check the condition 5 less than equal to 4. Condition is not to not coincide here. Console class dot write time method. Then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So I is now 5. Check the condition 5 equal to 5. Condition is true that coincides. So at here j start from 1. Check the condition 1 less than equal to 5. Condition is true that coincides. So at here console class dot write method. So at here I mod 2. So I value is now 5. 5 mod 2 the value come 1. So 1 print. And here check the condition 1 less than hereafter the j increase, so j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at here 5 mod 2, the value come 1. So 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at here 5 mod 2, the value come 1. So 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at here 5 mod 2, the value come 1. So 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 5. Check the condition 5 equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at here that print 5 mod 2 value. So 1 print. Hereafter j is now 6. Check the condition 6 less than equal to 5. Condition is not true. So that not coincide. Control comes to this point. Console cross dot write line method. So cursor blink to the new line. Hereafter that increase the value of I. So I is now 6. Check the condition 6 less than equal to 5. Condition is not true. So that not coincide here. Control comes to this point. Console cross dot read line method. So this take one input for a keyword and terminate the output scheme. So right here I've given the condition I less than equal to 5. So according to condition this print the value. So first time that print 1, next 0 0 triple 1, 4 times 0, 5 times 1. If you give n at here the condition 6, then the value come 6 times 0. So this is the tried method of this program. So I hope guys you understand. So thanks for watching. See you in next video.